Hello and welcome to the Greenworks Garage. In this video, we will be giving you an overview of the various steps necessary for you to get up and running with your new Greenworks product. As always, we would like to thank you for being a part of the Greenworks family.
Now that your mower is ready to go, let's do a quick run through to get you prepared for your first use. Adjust the handles to your preferred height by pulling the handle holes and moving them into the high or low position. To attach the grass catcher, lift the back flap on the mower and hook the bag onto the metal rod. To mulch your grass, lift the back flap, then insert the mulch plug into the back of the mower. To attach the chute, lift the side flap of the mower and attach it to the metal rod. To adjust the cutting deck, grasp the deck height adjustment lever. Push left to disengage from slot, move up or down as needed, then push right into the slot to secure it. Make sure the red safety plug is inserted into its port. The mower will not operate if the safety is unplugged. Now, insert the battery by opening the battery port door, then aligning the ridge on the logo side of the battery with the lever on the side of the port. Then, insert the battery till you hear an audible click. At the top handle of your mower, you will notice the battery level indicator. You will see the level of the left and right batteries individually. Next to the battery indicator, you will see a turbo button. Pressing the turbo button while mowing temporarily increases the blade speed to help power through taller and thicker grass. Start the mower by pulling back on the green handles, while simultaneously pressing the green power button. The blades will turn off if you release the green paddles. To activate the self-propelled mode, pull the gray paddles and adjust the speed with the slider. To store the mower after use, make sure your deck height is at the lowest setting of 1. Then pull back on the green handle holes. Swing the handles all the way to the front of the mower, then lift the mower into a vertical storage position.
Now that you have completed this how-to guide, you should be more familiar with your new Greenworks product. For more details and safety information, please read the owner's manual provided. If you have any other questions about this product or other Greenworks tools, be sure to check us out on our website, greenworkstools.com.